Hello, binary traders. Now I am showing you a price action trading strategy. Uh, I am using a price action trading strategy, and this is 100% winning the trading strategy. I am not using any type of indicators for my 100% trading strategy. I just follow market candle high low, market candle closing price, opening price, and market price price action system. So, and I use this my strategy last 2 years, and I make much more profit and profit. That's why now I showing you my trading strategy. Now I show you how I take trade, how I take profit, and how I take it like expert terms, and uh, how I take trade in my price action trading strategy. So now I am waiting for a good position, good price, and after that I take entry. So first of all, I need to set the expert time 2 minutes. Always I use, and this is my live accounts. My account have 30,000. $31,400 in my live accounts, and I make profit. A few minutes ago, I make profit one $1,760. Now now I take live entry on front of you, and you see how I make money from this market. My account have $3,000. That's why I make every test minimum $2,000, and I'm waiting for good price, good positions, and after when I get the good position, after that I take entry, and wait for how what going on, some profit or loss. But I know my trading strategy not never fall my balance. This is always profit. So I wait for a good position. So I think I get a positions in this place, and I take a place entry from this place. Sorry. So now I am waiting for a profit, and I know this market go up, and that's why I take it from this place. Another entry, just I am waiting for other entry. Okay. If you know the market are go up or go, if you know you are actually 100% or plus, you need to make more and more trade and the current place, current positions, because you know your trading strategy is 100% wins. So I know my trading strategy is 100% win. That's why I take and this place two trades, and I take another one from this place. Okay. So I take four entry in this market, and I am also make another tips on this here, because I know market go up, and this market give me profit. I am waiting for profit. Our first order close within 25 seconds, and I think I know my first order is 100% wins, and second one, one third one, and last fifth one uh, go win 100%, because I know my strategy is a 100% winning ratio. I have a offer for my traders, and see here I got a wanted wins, and I have another supporters and the runnings, and I know that supporters are will be win, and second one win, and I have another 30 trades, sorry, another 3 trades. So I have an offer for my referrals. If you join my referrals if you join Qtx broker under my referrals, and if you lost your balance zero your accounts, I will return you 25% in your balance. Okay, and I also teach you how to learn in the binary tradings and how to make profit from binary tradings. If you want to make profit from binary, please join our Telegram group. I will help you. So now you see, I take a 5 trades at this same place, and I make already I make $5,000 in my live accounts and live sessions, live tradings. This is not fake, this is 100% real, and this my trading strategy is 100% win. So if you want my trading strategy, if you want to make profit more from binary trading, please join our Telegram group. I will help you how to make profit, and I also promise you, if you lose your accounts, if you zero your accounts, I give you 25% cashback in your loss amount. So thank you, bye bye.